What is up, Hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to retouch a relaxer. The first things first, you're going to put on your gloves, and I'm also going to be basting her hair. If you're like me and you scratch your hair and you know that you need a relaxer, but you already scratch your hair, it's very important to base your hair. That way it doesn't burn as easily or burn at all or burn as fast. So it's always good to base your hair. So I'm using my Boo Magic because it's petroleum in there, and it's a great base. You could also use your olive oil sheen spray. That's also a great base. The next thing I'm going to be doing is sectioning her hair in 4 because it makes it just easier to apply the relaxer. Relaxer that I'm using is the olive oil relaxer. This used to be my favorite relaxer when my hair was relaxed. I probably said relaxed a whole bunch of times. Anyways, so you want to go ahead and mix the activator with the product, mix it really good. And then you're going to apply at the roots. Do not apply it to the scalp. You are applying it to the root. Okay, one way to get your hair burnt really fast is to apply the product directly on your scalp because it will burn your scalp. So you're applying it to the root of your hair. And as you can see, I'm applying it to the front and to the back, and then I'm sectioning it off again and applying it to the front and to the back using the back side of the comb. You don't want to comb it through as yet or at all. So you're just passing it on it. So I continue doing this throughout the 4 sections of a hair, starting from the top and making my way to the bottom. I do not do the edges as yet. That's the last thing I do because your edges are very sensitive, and leaving the relaxer on for too long will definitely break your edges. So your edges and the far back of your hair and all around, like above your ears, all these areas are really sensitive. So I save those for the last because they relax pretty easily and very quickly. So those are last. After I'm done applying the relaxer throughout her entire head, I'm just going to be making sure that I didn't miss any areas. So I'm just going through her hair, making sure that all roots are covered with relaxer, and then I'm going to be parting it and massaging it with my finger. I'm not combing through, I'm using my fingers to massage the product in her hair. So just take a look. Okay, great. So it's time to wash out this relaxer. Usually on the boxes, it has a time frame as to how long you could keep this relaxer on your head. Most times it's like 15, 20 minutes, so you don't want to overdo it. So I'm just washing out the relaxer quickly, starting with the areas around her edges where the relaxer is. I don't want to keep those on there for too long. Like I said, those are a very sensitive area. I try to leave the middle for last because those are the areas that tend to not relax as fast because it's thicker. But I just rinse out the entire head and make sure all the product is thoroughly out. And after I rinse out her hair, I'm going to be applying the neutralizing shampoo just to stop the relaxer from relaxing. So this is the olive oil shampoo that it comes with. I'm going to be applying it to her hair. So what I did is I applied it to her hair, let it sit on there for 5 minutes, rinsed it out, and then I applied it to her hair one more time, washed it, and rinsed it out again. Then I apply the conditioner, and then I comb it through, and then that's it. So take a look and see how I do all of that. I did give her a little trim off camera, and then I'm just going to be bumping her hair with this flat iron. I do recommend that she stop using the blow dryer because I believe that's one of the major culprits for thinning out her hair. But she's my mom. She's very stubborn and she sticks to whatever she wants to do. But all in all, for her age, I think her hair is pretty nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.